Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about peony pink cadet. This is made as a limited edition by Victorinox for swissbianco. We see the peony pink scales with the silver shield there. Also the blade has the nice swissbianco etching on it. On the back side we have the same color, of course, on the scales, plus the engraving plate, so you can engrave your name or number. This is a regular cadet model. We have the split ring and the two-layer construction in that 84mm Swiss Army knife. The model was made in October 2015 in a limited edition of 100 pieces by Victorinox in Ibach, Switzerland, for swissbianco in USA. So that much of that unique Swiss Army knife.